Don't you just love the sound birds singing here in Newark, Ohio? What can I say? God is good. I feel pretty good today after hearing and seeing 3 Ohio Central trains today. A westbound Ohio Central ZVNK and an eastbound Ohio Central ZVNK. And then I think I either heard the Mount Vernon turn or the Ohio Central NKPA. I'm not sure, but that has 3 trains on Groundhog Day, which has never happened before. But yeah. Anyway, what can I say? God is good. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. What do you guys think about my whistling? Feel free to comment below, guys. God bless you all, and stay safe out there. God is good.